now we are studying the practical, the study of analgesic activity of the hot plate apparatus. So at first we are taking in one hot plate. Now go to the X.Pharm into the X.Pharm software. So now these are the hot plate. So to start the experiment. So now we have discussed the principle. So what are the main principle under the evaluate the analgesic activity of the drug using hot plate apparatus. So it is an evaluate the animal model of using analgesia to induce the pain like the in the tail or the hind paw. The radiant heel in the projected on the tail or the hind paw, and the cold stimulus applied through the hot plate through the cold plate, and the mechanical pressure on the tail and the hind paw are using a clamp. So these are the using main principle of the rotor rod of the hot plate apparatus. So now the experiment. So how to experiment? The animal are divided into two group. Each group have in 6 animal, each one and every group. Now administration of the one drug, that is the pentazocine 10 mg per kilo, it is the dose. So it is a pentazocine is a opiate analgesic. Now the after the 60 minute we are induce the heat means that is the 55 degrees centigrade. Now percussion it may be out into the 17 second, otherwise it will be one into the animal hind paw or the animal tail. Now these are the main instruction and these are the main procedure of the hot plate apparatus. So now these are the vehicle treated. So it is the two group, one is the vehicle treated, another one is the drug treated. So vehicle treated means that is no group, and the drug treated means that is the drug of the pentazocine, the 10 mg per kilo will be used in the practical. So now go to the administration of the first we induce the administration. So administration of the pentazocine into the animal. This route name of the IP, that is the intraperitoneal route. Now after administration the animal are separated. So now go to the rotor rod and into the hot plate apparatus. Now one animal are put into the hot plate, Eddy's hot plate. So the first animal on the foot into the Eddy's hot plate. So these are the counter number. So now we are we are detect the counter number and we are note down the counter number. So these are the 9 and another animal. So these are the another animal put into the hot plate. So now is 10. Now is the 9 and the click onto the another rodent. Now go to the drug treated animal are put into the hot plate apparatus. Now we are evaluate the counter number. So increase the counter number according to the vehicle treated. So these are the 15. So now go to the observation. So we are vehicle treated and the drug treated. So increase the time of the hot plate apparatus in the drug treated animal, because the drug treated means that is the pentazocine we are induce the 10 mg per kilo IP, because the pentazocine is opiate analgesic. So this result indicate the active analgesic, the pentazocine have an analgesic activity into the human or into the rodent animal. So now these are the rodent we treated with the analgesic drug have the shown increase the time of the show in the hindpaw licking response, which reflect the analgesic activity of the analgesic drug. So these are the overall practical to evaluate the analgesic activity of the drug using Eddy's hot plate. Now we are complete the practical of evaluate the analgesic activity of the drug using hot plate apparatus. So the next practical will be start into the next class. Thank you.